Stop boiling eggs the old-fashioned way. With just one simple trick, you can create beautiful, delicious eggs, just like those served at a 5-star restaurant right at home. Tip 1. Steamed eggs. To start, I prepare 5 silicone molds. I pour a little cooking oil into each mold, then use a brush to spread the oil evenly across the surface so the eggs won't stick when removed. Next, I take 5 eggs and crack one into each mold. When cracking the eggs, be gentle so the yolks stay intact and don't break. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now, I prepare a pot of water. I fill the pot with water so that the water level is more than halfway up the molds, then turn on the stove and bring it to a boil. When the water starts to boil, I gently place each egg mold into the pot. And cover it with a lid. I'll cook the eggs over low heat for about 5 minutes. While we wait, let's watch a short kitten video. After 5 minutes, I open the lid and use tongs to lift the egg molds to check. If you see that the egg whites have set, it means the eggs are perfectly cooked. Now, I use tongs to remove each egg mold from the pot and let them cool for a few minutes. To remove the eggs from the molds, I simply use my fingers to gently bend the edges of the silicone molds. Thanks to the oil I brushed on earlier, the eggs will slide out very easily. If you want to cook eggs that are beautiful, tender, and delicious like these, try the method I just shared. I'm sure you'll love it. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Let's take a look inside. I gently cut the egg in half, and you can see the yolk is still soft and runny inside. Tip 2. Stuffed cheese omelette. To start, I crack 4 eggs into a large bowl. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and whisk until the eggs are smooth and well combined. Once the eggs are well combined, I add 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder to the bowl. Then, I continue stirring until the mixture becomes smooth and slightly thick. Next, I prepare a pan, add a little oil, and heat it. While we wait, let's watch a short kitten video. Once the pan is hot, I pour the egg mixture in and spread it evenly across the surface. Next, I grated some cheese. Cheese offers many health benefits thanks to its rich concentration of nutrients like calcium, protein, vitamin D, K2, and zinc. It helps strengthen bones, provide energy, support heart health, and even reduce stress. Then, I sprinkle a layer of grated cheese over the top of the eggs. This layer of cheese will melt and add a rich, creamy flavor to the omelette. I cover the pan and cook over low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until the eggs begin to set. While waiting, I prepare the filling. I slice 3 tomatoes, It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then dice half a bell pepper. Bell peppers, also known as sweet peppers, are packed with nutrients. They're rich in vitamins C and A, along with powerful antioxidants that help boost your immune system, improve your eyesight, and keep your skin healthy and glowing. They also support heart health, aid in weight loss thanks to their low calorie content, and promote better digestion with their high fiber. Plus, regular consumption of bell peppers may help reduce the risk of certain diseases, including cancer. Next, I arrange the tomato slices on one half of the omelette. Then evenly distribute the diced bell pepper over the omelette. And finally top it with another layer of cheese. Now, I'll use a spoon to gently fold the pizza in half, placing the unfilled side over the filled side to form a sandwich. Then, I cover it and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. While we wait, let's watch a short kitten video. When you open the lid, you'll see that the cheese has melted completely, and a very enticing aroma fills the air. I place the pie on a plate. Cut it in half, and you'll see that the filling inside is absolutely beautiful. So today, we've had a really fun time together in the kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.